Okay, y'all, so I was up this morning and I saw something fall out of my tree, and I thought a bird fell out of its nest or died. So I walked down here. It's a baby bird. I think it's hurt. Oh no. Oh my God. Okay. This is sad. I don't understand why it fell out of its nest. I'm gonna have to figure out something. I cannot just leave it here. Oh, what? I'm thinking of something. I think your wing is injured, but if I touch you, your mommy will abandon you. Do I interfere with the laws of nature? Or do I help this bird? I think there was a reason it happened right in front of me. Hold on. Okay, so I have gloves. So I'm going to pick it up with gloves. It's still alive. It's still wanting to eat. Yeah. Okay, hold on. And something else in my yard, a bird's nest. So, I don't know, pick it up and put it in the bird's nest, of course, maybe with gloves on. I've got to think on this, because you just cannot always interfere with the laws of nature. But then there's that part of me that wants to nurture. I've got to think. Oh my God, y'all, look at this. Hold on. So I come back outside, and it's up. It's up. That's great. I think it's okay. Sorry. Maybe the mama bird, kicked it out of the nest. I'm not sure. Just be honest. It just fell like right in front of me. I couldn't believe it. Okay, sorry, I don't have a tripod if I'm making y'all dizzy. She's moved since I went in and got the gloves. Yay! You are okay, I think. You made movement. Yes, you did, little buddy. So I think I'm going to leave you alone. My dog's going crazy because he hears me talking to another animal. Are you okay? So I don't want to touch her because it's just not a good thing to do. Oops. We're going to see if she flies soon. Got a few hours before I head into work. Let me take these gloves off. Hey girl, you need to fly soon if you can. There's a lot of critters around here where I live. You need to take wings and fly. Come on. We don't want a dog or a cat to get you, especially a cat. Look how beautiful. I really thought her wing was injured, but it seems okay. You still a baby bird. Did Mommy throw you out of the nest, or did you just roll out of your nest that way? Can you fly? You gonna be able to take off soon? Because my neighbor has cats, and I'd really like you to get out of here before they find you. Come on. Oh my God. She's not moving, or he, I'm not sure. I'm going to back away and see if she makes any steps. I might have her scared. You got this, Mama. You're not Ali. Oops. Come on, Mama. Come on. I'm gonna back away. Come on. My dog does not like that he hates when I pay attention to other animals. He really gets jealous. It's funny. What is it? Wow. We gotta get her to take flight. I'll be honest, I don't know how long it takes them when they're kicked out of the nest to take flight. The hell, that's the neighbor's dogs, not mine. She keeps looking back at me. Okay, with gloves on, I very gently picked her up and put her in a nest, and she seems to really like that. She's alive, but she's not doing anything, and it's not a safe place to be down here out of the protection of her mother, especially when there's cats around. So we're going to see what she does. Hold on. Oh, she put her claws out. I think she's thinking of taking flight. If I get attacked by another bird, it's the mom. No, that's not the mom. I don't know, she could be watching me. Oh, she's looking around. Come on. You can do it. You can just spread those wings, and you'll be good to go. It's a whole big world out here for you, girl. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. She's doing it. Yes. You go. You go. You go. You go. Yay. Oh, God. I got so excited. I hope I have the camera on her. You go. That's it, girl. All right. So I didn't need to interfere too much. I just needed to make sure her wing wasn't broke when I saw her fall out of that tree like that. So I guess mama birds kind of aggressively just throw them out of the nest. And once they're out of the nest, it's on them to figure it out. But when she fell out, I really thought she was injured. But she's going now. So happy. I was really torn whether to interfere. I'm glad I didn't interfere too much, because it's important as humans that we stay out of the business of animals and nature. We've interfered too much for too long. So, y'all don't come at me in the comments for trying to help a bird. I did the best I knew how.